Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are back with Forza Horizon 5. Now we are going I did some upgrades on some of my cars and they got a lot faster. I don't know if you've seen, but in one of the top speeds videos that I did, my police cars, where is it? This one here. This one here. What's going on? It's going a lot faster now. You can see my speed here. You can see the map there. This car this used to be the acceleration. Something like that. This, I think I did some pretty good upgrades. I mean, it definitely goes over 100 miles per hour now. Goes 89 miles per hour in 1 gear. That's crazy. Why not doing that? But now we are going to see how fast this really goes. This is faster. The acceleration is faster than a normal Bugatti Chiron. Well, it's probably not the same, but 200. Let's go. I need some upgrades on this. This is no. This car is crazy. It's now a really fast car, my fastest police car that I have. I have done some upgrades on some of my other cars, and I'll show you as well. 230. Oh my god. 230. Well, around 230 that car was going. So that's pretty fast for this car. Anyway, next we have the Bugatti Chiron. Now, I mean, look at this. What is it? Let's go past it. Look. Oh, it's all about to start. Look. Oh my god. Look at the horsepower. 1,500 horsepower. That is so. Next, we got the Bugatti. 1,500 horsepower for that car. 1,479 horsepower for this car. I did upgrade this car, I think. I don't think I did upgrade this car. Look at all the flames that are coming out the exhaust at the bottom, right there. Right. Yeah. Oh my god. That's just so much horsepower, it literally spits flames. Okay, no, the police car is a lot slower than this. No, not a lot, but $260. Okay, as I was saying, I have also upgraded one of my Ferraris. Not that much. It's not really any faster. pretty sure it's 260. And the other one. But that might not be it. Now, the finale car that I upgraded is a Ferrari. But this one right here, 1,279 horsepower. This is not a supercar, it's a hypercar. Just like that Ford police car that I showed you, just like the Bugatti Chiron now. Oh, my finger slipped. Is also not as fast as the Bugatti, but it's, I think that Ford, that police car that I upgraded, I think that's faster than this. Because this went 226, the other one went like 234, I think. I mean, I would have this car in my life. It's a really nice car, but the thing is, I want to try and get a comic. When I said Jesco, I'm gonna see if I can get that car. You know, I just it's 11:11. Make a wish. Done. I ain't gonna tell you guys. I just love. Look. What's the back? It just dips because of how fast the acceleration is. I'm already at 20 miles per hour. Bruh. Now watch, the back end dips because of the acceleration. Okay, my Bugatti, that's so old. 3 million for that Bugatti Divo. I want to do jobs to earn money so I can get that Forza money. I've got that bunker. And I got that. 2 million! I need to go, Fast and Furious as well. Hennessy. No, I don't need that. Oh my gosh, there it is. 2,800,000. Wow, what's the cheapest one? 1,400,000. Bruh. 1,000,000. Oh my gosh. I had enough money to buy that as well. Bro. When I have that money, that 100 million credits, I am. Oh my gosh. I need the Forza edition of that to get so many skill points. But I mean, I might. Oh, what's that car? 2,500,000 for a Maserati. What? No. I used to love McLarens, but now they're a bit old, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I want Mercedes, I'm not gonna lie. My favourite Mercedes here is Probs. This one, right? The E63 AMG 2013 Mercedes-Benz. They are nice. What? Wait a second. This Mercedes-Benz, the 300 SLR, 1955 Mercedes-Benz. 143 million credits. Oh, that's a lot of money. Imagine if I get it from like a Super Wheel Store or something. I've never even heard of that. Napier. I don't know what this sounds. Pagani's, I used to have that Pagani. Wait, if I go back into the auction house, if I go to my auctions, my Pagani is here somewhere. I think it is. Should be. Wait, what? Why did I sell that? Yeah, there it is. Look, right there. Let's go ahead and just.